Right, everyone. My wife says I look like a dickhead on camera, so I've no idea what to fucking say. So I'm just going to say, we're at ABR. Come on, let's have a look.
Say something.
Yeah, there we go.
Follow me! Follow me!
Eh? Yeah, that's your bike. Hello, mate.
Good, and you?
Not bad. Good to see you.
Yeah, what are you up to?
Burning my ass off in the sun. It's Chloe.
Hiya!
How's everything been, alright?
Good, yeah, busy.
Good.
What are you guessing?
Drink.
Yay!
Why?
What
'Cause I
kind of
gotta.
drink? Are you hot?
I'm fucking hot. I am super hot.
You having a nice time?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Just so we have this on camera, what's that? What did he say?
I'm discovering that there's a lot of things that I cannot do. Apparently, I cannot stir coffee,
No.
so I have to add that to my list of things I cannot do. Bah!
Three, two, one, action.
So, I'm still being accused of talking shit, but there's nothing much I can do about it. I'm boring as fuck, and there's
you're
nothing.
talking shit, Ben.
Exactly. It's the same as the reason why black jeans
We had a conversation for about 25 minutes about why black jeans are the best. That's proof enough for how boring I am.
Oh dear. So are you staying or are you staying?
No, we're gonna cruise off for a minute. Yes,
not sure.
How you doing?
Where are we going now?
Should I ask Steve where my loan book is?
I dare you. Come on, let's go find him. Sign up for...
Oh yeah, giveaway. It's just full name and email address.
Okay.
So on 178 here.
Where are we going, babe? Where are we going?
Going to India.
We're going to India?
No, Indian.
Oh.
Not quite going as far as that.
Hello.
You good?
Yeah. Hello. Chloe.
How's things? How you doing? Yeah. Cracking on? Usual.
The guys went.
That's enough of it. I've seen enough of myself.
Well, I haven't been in anything.
Well, come let me do some of you. Come here, give it to me.
I can do it myself.
Give it here. Okay. Tell us, where are we, babe? Tell us where we are.
We are.
Where? Where are we?
Let me compose myself. Does my hair look alright? We are.
Get rid of that helmet head.
We are at the ABR Festival,
Yeah?
and that is at Ragley Hall.
Who? Wrigley. It's Ragley.
Okay, so it's a Ragley, not Wrigley.
Yeah.
But you know, Wrigley, Ragley, tomatoes, bacon. You know, and we're going to go now get a selfie at the sign.
The what?
Well, if it didn't happen at the sign, you would never hear.
Did you get a ticket?
Easy. Oh, you alright?
Yeah, good on you. Okay, you good?
Hello, mate. How are you? Not bad. Good to see you. No, I'm here today and tomorrow, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be both days. I'm knackered already. I haven't been here like 2 hours. No. Oh, hello sir, how are you doing? Not too bad. It's good to see you.
Hi. We've met.
How you doing?
Yeah.
Very well, how are you?
Not bad. Cracking on.
Oh,
Thank you.
I'm not sure if it's any
shade, actually.
Actually, it does make a big difference.
I've got helmet hair.
That's the only thing I can.
You did the thing the other day and your hair's the wind. You're like, look, I've done my hair.
What was that for? We went to the bike shed. Yeah.
So did you?
It's 5 o'clock now.
I was taking stuff out of that point.
Go this way.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you again. Now listen, in 10 minutes time,
There's a
we've got Adam Ryman, Motology video, Motology online on...
I think we should eat at the hotel.
Yeah, no, that's what I was saying.
Haven't eaten all day though. I've just had just
No, you didn't.
not salty ones.
No, you didn't.
Not salty ones.
No, you didn't.
I've not eaten salty ones. And I had some oats.
No, you didn't.